Hello, and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 30th of December 1922, the USSR, that's the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, was founded. The Treaty on the Creation of the USSR and the Declaration of the Creation of the USSR, the two documents that were approved by delegations from the founding countries on the 29th of December, formed the constitutional basis for the Soviet Union. However, those documents didn't officially come into force until the 30th, when they were confirmed by the First Congress of Soviets and signed by the heads of each republic's respective delegation. The Soviet Union in 1922 consisted of just 4 Soviet republics: the Russian SFSR, the Ukrainian SSR, the Byelorussian SSR, and the Transcaucasian SFSR, although it's important to note that both the Russian and the Transcaucasian SFSRs actually incorporated a number of separate Soviet Socialist Republics. The creation of the USSR was therefore effectively the creation of a centralised federal government. This was an important step for the Bolsheviks, who, having won the Russian Civil War, needed to consolidate their gains into some kind of formal political entity. Stalin, in particular, argued that the new economic policy that followed war communism required centralised control, but this threatened some national groups. At the same time, some Bolsheviks hoped for a world revolution that would overthrow capitalist governments around the globe. The USSR's founding documents therefore allowed Soviet republics to withdraw from the Union at any time, even though none of them actually did so before the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991. Similarly, new members were able to join the Union at any time, and this meant that by 1940, the USSR's membership had grown from the initial 4 republics in 1922 to 16.